These are the 3 best healthy cooking oils with shocking health benefits. Hey everyone, welcome back to Everwell Life. Today, we're diving into something you use every day, but might not be using the healthiest version of cooking oil. Not all oils are created equal, and some could be harming your health without you even knowing. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the healthiest cooking oils, their fascinating history, and why they should be in your kitchen right now. Number 1. Did you know that olive oil has been around for over 6,000 years? Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans called it liquid gold. And for good reason. They used it for cooking, skincare, and even medicine. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, supports heart health and lowers bad cholesterol. Loaded with antioxidants, helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress. May aid in weight loss studies show it can boost metabolism and control hunger. Best uses: low to medium heat cooking, like sautéing and roasting, is ideal for extra virgin olive oil. It's also perfect for salad dressings and drizzling over food. However, avoid using for deep frying. It has a lower smoke point and loses its nutrients at very high temperatures. Number 2. Unlike olive oil, which dates back thousands of years, avocado oil is a relatively modern discovery. It wasn't widely used until the 20th century, when scientists realized its amazing health benefits. High in monounsaturated fats, avocado oil is great for heart health and reducing inflammation. It also boosts nutrient absorption, helping the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin E, which supports skin health and fights aging. It's best for high-heat cooking, one of the highest smoke points, at 520 degrees Fahrenheit or 271 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for frying and grilling. It's also great for salad dressings and homemade mayonnaise. Choose cold-pressed avocado oil for maximum nutrients. Number 3. Coconut oil has been a staple in tropical regions for thousands of years. In places like India, the Philippines, and Thailand, it's been used for cooking, hair care, and even as a natural remedy for infections. Coconut oil contains MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides. These are quickly converted into energy, making it a great fat-burning fuel. Supports brain function. Some studies suggest MCTs may help improve memory and cognitive function. Has antimicrobial properties, may help fight harmful bacteria and viruses. Ideal for baking, sautéing, and light frying. Can be added to smoothies for a quick energy boost. Use in moderation. While coconut oil has benefits, it's also high in saturated fat, so balance it with other healthy oils. Who knew cooking oil had so much history and science behind it? Which of these oils do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're still using vegetable or seed oils, it might be time to switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more healthy living tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.